Honda Passport 2026 vs Subaru Outback full comparison. The 2026 Honda Passport and Subaru Outback are both mid-size SUVs, but they cater to slightly different buyers. Most people overlook their key differences, so here's a detailed comparison. Performance-wise, the Passport offers a 3.5-litre producing 280 horsepower with front-wheel drive standard and all-wheel drive optional. It's powerful, ideal for towing and off-road use. The Outback's 2.5-litre flat 4 delivers 182 horsepower with standard symmetrical all-wheel drive. It's less powerful but excels in fuel efficiency and rough terrain stability. Interior space favours the Passport with slightly more legroom and cargo volume. Both SUVs are comfortable, but the Outback emphasises practicality and ruggedness, while the Passport leans toward refinement with soft-touch materials and modern infotainment. Safety features are robust on both. Honda Sensing and Subaru EyeSight provide adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and collision mitigation. The Passport edges ahead, with slightly more advanced driver assist tech in base trims. Fuel economy is an advantage for the Outback, averaging around 28 miles per gallon combined versus the Passport's 22 miles per gallon. Off-road enthusiasts may prefer the Outback for light trails, but the Passport handles heavier towing and power-demanding conditions better. In conclusion, choose the Honda Passport 2026 for power, towing, and spacious comfort. Choose the Subaru Outback for fuel efficiency, rugged all-wheel drive capability, and practical versatility. Your lifestyle and driving needs will determine the better fit.